Alright, before we go into this video, for all who don't know, I am an English teacher here in Japan. And for my YouTube channel, I post a lot of school lunch. Like every day they have a different lunch. So I'll just post a video to my YouTube channel. But recently, I told the schools, because I teach at 2 schools, that I want them to cook some Jamaican food. Because every now and then they cook like Chinese-based food, paella, which is Spanish food, and some Korean food sometimes, like bibimbap, and some other variety, sometimes Brazilian. So I say, like, one Jamaican teacher there, you know, so why they can't cook some Jamaican food and introduce it to the kids them, so the kids them or the other teachers can get some Jamaican experience as well, otherwise from me, because I am their current Jamaican experience, you know. So when I went to school earlier since week, one school is telling me on February 28th, one school will be cooking jerk chicken and festival, because recently one of the school nutritionists, she went to the Jamaican restaurant in Shibuya called Goodwood Terrace, and she came back and she told me about her experience. She went with 2 other ladies from the school, and they told me about their experience, and they were like so excited and happy. They were like, it's so good, it's so good. Oh, is she? You know? So when I was at school on Friday now, they're saying, Shannon, will you be here on the 28th? Because I don't work at the same schools every day. So it depends on the schedule that the company gives me. So I'm like, I'll check and see if I'll be here on the 28th. So right now, you know, I'm well excited to see how the Jamaican food goes to the jerk chicken and festival, because I tell us Goodwood Terrace have some of the best festival here in Japan. And even some Jamaican festivals, some taste, they don't taste so good. I tell you the honest truth. But yeah, anyways, I look forward to see the Jamaican food to the school cook. So I'm going to post a video about that later, down in this month. So look forward for the video there.